Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 protein powder available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Body Protein Powder. Power Pack Protein. 60 grams of protein and 12 grams of BCAAs per every 2 scoop serving, helping you train harder and rebuild lean muscle faster. Fuel. No matter where you are, great tasting fuel you need to get to the next level. Perform. Get the edge in nutrition with products designed to maximize performance and achieve your best. Recover. Empower your body with tasty, high-protein whey that helps replenish and repair your muscles. Protein when you need it. Great for pre- and post-workout or as needed throughout the day in order to meet daily protein recommendations. Nutrient-rich. Amino acids with no aspartame and no gluten. Immune support. With vitamin C and D plus zinc. Helps support your immune system. Number 4. Muscletech Protein Powder. Whey Protein Powder. Muscletech Nitrotech is the most powerful protein formula ever developed. It is a scientifically engineered whey plus isolate lean muscle builder formula designed for more muscle, more strength, and better performance. Muscle builder for men and women. Muscletech Nitrotech has 5g of glutamine and precursor, 6.8 of BCAA, and a clinically studied 3g dose of HPLC-tested creatine monohydrate to help build lean muscle. Protein powder for muscle gain. In a 6-week, double-blind study involving the core ingredients of Nitrotech, subjects gained 70% more lean muscle than those using regular whey, 8.8 vs 5.1 pounds, and increased their bench press more, 34 vs 14 pounds. Creatine monohydrate. Start reimagining the limits of size and strength with pure, HPLC-tested creatine. Scientific studies have shown that it helps replenish APP stores in the body for enhanced performance, more muscle, and an increase in strength. Number 3. Animal Protein Powder. Loaded with whey protein isolate. Animal whey protein powder is made up of the highest quality protein sources, and that starts with the first source being whey protein isolate, fast absorbing and very bioavailable. Packed with digestive enzymes. Not only is animal whey loaded with isolate protein, but it also has the added benefit of digestive enzymes to help you get the most out of each scoop and puts the high-quality protein to work quickly and efficiently. Amazing taste profile. Animal whey is formulated for an amazing taste, and it mixes easily and smooth in your drink of choice. No chunks, great flavor, no stomach bloating. High bioavailability whey protein. Each scoop of animal whey contains 25 grams of highly bioavailable whey protein. Our whey protein powder helps repair muscle tissue and reduces post-workout soreness so you can get back to the gym sooner. Number 2. Dimetized Protein Powder. Fast-absorbing protein to feed muscle. Elite 100% Whey is an all-purpose whey protein blend that can feed your muscles with high-quality protein, BCAAs, and other EAs throughout the day. With a variety of easy mixing, deliciously decadent flavors available, you are sure to find a flavor that is perfect for you. 25 grams of fast-absorbing whey protein per scoop. Fast-absorbing Elite 100% Whey is great to use when supporting muscle recovery post-workout, preparing for tough workouts, or increasing your daily protein intake with delicious high-protein shakes. Activate your muscles' potential. Each serving contains 11.7 of naturally occurring EAs, which includes 5.5 of BCAAs, all of which support the muscle protein synthesis process necessary for muscle growth and muscle recovery. No unnecessary fillers. Elite 100% Whey contains a fast-absorbing whey protein blend without fillers and other unnecessary ingredients. Number 1. Optimum Protein Powder. Optimum Nutrition has a history of setting one of the high standards for quality. Each shake mixes up effortlessly using just a glass and spoon, and tastes consistently good, shake after shake. We hold ourselves to the highest production standards also you can unlock your body's full potential. Anytime formula, great before or after exercise, between meals, with a meal, or any time of day when you need extra protein. Banned substance tested and the highest quality control measures so you feel comfortable and confident consuming the product. After careful supplier selection, each ingredient is tested to assure exceptional purity, potency, and composition. Gold standard 100% whey. 24 g of protein per serving to help build and maintain muscle when taken over time with regular resistance training. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.